In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the best Redbubble tags so you can optimize your designs so that more people can find your designs, and so that overall this then leads to you getting more Redbubble sales. If you're ready for this video, please do drop a like, and with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, you might want to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bells. That way you won't miss out on any of my future videos, as well as any information that can help you guys to make some extra money online. And for those who don't already know, down in the description, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide which features a lot of information as to how I got my first few Redbubble sales online and how you guys can do it too. And on top of that, for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now with that said, we'll be jumping into talking about the best tags you can use for Redbubble, as it says in the title. And jumping straight into it, we'll talk about what tags are for those who don't actually know. So what are tags? Tags are the keywords that help the Redbubble algorithm to match your designs to the correct customer. And this is for both Redbubble and Google search. A lot of people think whatever they do in regards of their designs, tags, and keywords will optimize their shops just for Redbubble, but no. Keywords, tags, optimize your design listings for Google search as well. So this is something you want to be taking seriously if you are looking to turn this into a solid passive income stream for yourself long term. Now when it comes to Redbubble tags, what do Redbubble themselves tell us? When you hover over the tag section before you put your designs up, this little bubble pops up, and this is directly from Redbubble. It says, tags are how your audience finds your work. Use 15 relevant tags per upload. Use search terms that your audience would look for to find your work, including your name. Make sure that you separate tags with commas. For example, panda, bear, black, and white. Now, as that is what Redbubble says, I'll try to kind of base this video around how you can get 15 powerful tags, or let's say 14 powerful tags. That's if you are including your shop name, and how you can also make the most of the keywords that are available to you. Now, firstly, this is what you need to do if you want keyword ideas for your tags. So if you're in a broad niche or a big niche, you want to be able to sub niche, and Redbubble does this for people in a very cool way. Now, for example, if you was to search for dog, you will see that we get these little tabs that pop up right here, and they're just tabs with other keywords that could be related to what you're searching for. You want to use those keywords in your tags, as that will help to search optimize your design listing. And let's say if you click into Labrador, if you're searching dog, more things will come up. So you want to see which of those tags best suit your design, and you want to use those. You don't even have to think of something off the top of your head. You just want to make sure that when you're clicking into these things, the competition isn't too big. Therefore, your design is being spread in multiple similar niches that don't have a crazy amount of competition. I did just use the dog niche as an example there, but that's not something you need to do. The best selling product on Redbubble is stickers. So let's say if you're coming from the front page and you just click on stickers, Redbubble will show you obviously things that pop up on stickers. You can then decide to come up with ideas through the things that show up on these tabs there. As you already know, these things are doing well. This will help you when it comes to creating your keywords in terms of your tags. So let's say if we go with animals, for example, we will see that there's over 1.4 million results that pop up. So what we could do, we could then scale this down. Let's say we want to cover llamas for whatever reason. We'll then click on llama, and straight off the bat, it's showing us a lot of different things that are in relation. So if I go on alpaca lover, for example, it should drop the search results down. You could then make this your main keyword, but then you can use the other sub niches with more results in your tags and related keywords, maybe in your description. And the main reason I say to do this is because you are using information that Redbubble is already telling you is working. You just need to make sure that the main keyword you use has low results, and that you can find yourself a few other keywords to support this that are in the similar niche with low results as well. For example, if I go on no drama llama, let's see what the competition's saying. So 2,500. So let's say you pick this as another keyword to add in your tags. Your design will pop out on a few of these different keywords, as long as you're making sure that obviously you are using them in your tags. This is actually a new feature that Redbubble added into the site since I made my last tag video. If you haven't watched that, it'll be linked down in the description. I actually talk about other methods that include other websites, so if you want to check that out, it's down there. Nevertheless, moving on to the things that you don't want to do. You don't want to do this. So as you can see here, it says apron tags. Now, what most people do when they create a design for an apron, they will put apron in their initial tags. You don't want to do that because you are wasting a tags. Whenever you put tags on Redbubble, Redbubble will automatically generate product tags as well. So do not put the name of your product in the tags, as Redbubble does this automatically. And another thing on top of that you don't want to be doing is using spammy tags. Too many people use spammy tags like this. There is no point in it, and I'm almost certain that in the future Redbubble will start to actually take down accounts that do this, because it's pretty much taking advantage of the system, and I don't think it's something that's gonna last. If you want to hear me talk about this a little more, I did actually make a video that was solely focused towards this issue, where we went through some emails through people contacting Redbubble and what they said to do with this matter. If you didn't watch that and you want to know about that video will be linked down in the description. But yes guys, you do not want to be using spammy tags. And the last method I'm going to talk about in terms of how you can find tag ideas that will work through Redbubble is the search bar method. Now, I spoke about the search bar method in different ways, but this time around I'm going to be linking it to how you guys can get ideas for your tags. So now let's say you wanted to get tags for your dog related design. If you came to the search bar and you just typed in dog, Redbubble will show you what tags are trending that also have the word dog in it. So you can see dogs are whole life, dog robot, world's best dog trainer. If you're creating a design that's in relation to a dog, you could involve and include these keywords in your tags. This will help you a lot, mainly because it's putting you into trending niches where more people will have a higher chance of seeing your design. And let's say if we click on world's best dog trainer, let's just have a quick look at the competition in here. There's only 574 results, which is extremely low in terms of competition when it comes to the dog niche. So if you're doing something like that, you're being put in a niche that has 574 results. Let's put dog again. Let's click on dogs our whole life. This one has 1,523 results. And then if we just put dog and just search, you will see that there's 1.2 million results. So that's just a way you guys can sub niche into a bigger niche and find keywords that you can use effectively in your tags. And trust me guys, it works. And it doesn't matter who you are, what you are designing for, what niche you are trying to go for. If you use the methods I have spoke about in this video, you will find the best tags on Redbubble that you can use to apply to your design listings. This was probably the best way to do it, mainly because Redbubble tells you straight up what's doing well. You are just needing to apply that information into what you're already doing. And I can assure you, by doing this, this will allow your designs to be seen by more people, which will in turn increase the chances of you getting more sales. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you like this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. I tried to make this as useful as possible for you guys. If you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment down best tags, and I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. That's pretty much it for today. And guys, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.